Alright, so of course I start with the Smashbox primer first. Then I use about a squeeze and a half of the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I told y'all I love this stuff. It's my new jig. Yes. And it covers up everything. I put it everywhere except for around my eyes. This is like my new little technique that I've been doing as of late. Blend, girl. Okay, so next I'm using the LA Girl Dark Cocoa concealer to contour my face. And all the little places that you would contour. So typically I use powder, but I'm trying something new. So it's on my nose. And then that is my matte concealer NC45 Studio Finish. And so I'm gonna go around my eyes, my forehead, upper lip, and then my chin. My Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macao. No, actually that's not right. Radio Creamy Concealer in Biscuit is what that is. And put it in between those lines. This is when you're doing like the very most. When you're just trying to take long to put your makeup on. Like, girl, all of these steps. Blend, 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 blend. And then blend it on my forehead. I cut it out the video, but that dark that you see around my forehead is actually the LA Girl concealer too, and I blended that out also. So then I'm gonna come back again with my little triangles with the NARS Biscuit concealer and use my beauty blender, of course, to blend it in. It's gonna create my highlight. Go under and set it with none other than the Benai Banana Powder, and go under my. See, that's what happened when you try to. I was so irritated with myself. Anyway, I go under it with the light powder, the banana powder, and kind of carve it out. And highlighter and everything. Like I'm really jamming. I'm doing everything on my face except for my eyes. Highlighter, on my nose, bridge of my nose, even my blush before I put on even my eyebrows. I guess I was really trying to throw down. This is my when I'm really trying to jam, and I got 2 years to do my makeup. Anyway, now I'm gonna go into my eyebrow. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with, what is it called? Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and that's in Ebony. And then carve out my eyebrows with MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. Just the bottom. I didn't do the top, just the bottom. And then blend it in. That is Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. So I prime my lids with Shadow Insurance. So then I take a little powder, just setting powder, and go over my eyelids, and then that's Arena under my eyebrows. Now the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place is where that orange comes from. You know the new ones don't have names, but that's that bright orange that I'm putting into the crease. And then, yeah, see? And then I go over it with that kind of pinky red looking color. Ooh, look at that. I was feeling real bomb. Because I'm usually Safety McGee. That one is that deep cranberry color from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. And I'm gonna sweep that under my lash line at the bottom too. And that is, girl, just the gold in the palette. How about this? I'm gonna put that gold color and that deep red color in the description box. But that right there is Black Track by MAC, and I'm gonna smudge it. I don't do this very much. I don't smudge. I usually just, so I was kind of like testing it out in front of the camera.